Man found dead with arms severed after Portmore gun attack. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Detectives assigned to the St. Catherine South Police have launched an investigation into the death of an unidentified man who was found with his arms cut off following a gun attack in Portmore on Sunday. A 23-year-old man of a Kingston address was also injured during the incident and remained in hospital. Reports are that at around 5:20 a.m., the police were called to a scene along Germain Road in Portmore, where both men had reportedly been shot by unknown assailants multiple times. The men were taken to hospital where one was pronounced dead and the other hospitalized. The Bridgeport Criminal Investigation Branch is probing the incident. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.